Smells like Space Walls. What is up, YouTubers? I hope you are doing very well. I've finally finished off painting off my Space Walls Dreadnought that I've been meaning to do. Welcome to episode 2 of Beat the Backlog. Let's get straight into it. So I started with the model assembled and cleaned up. I've used Humbrol matte white spray to give it a spray over as my base coat. I found it gives this a really nice clean finish. Next up came painting the armour in Fenrisian Grey, detailing with Screaming Skull, Lead Belcher and Abaddon Black, and blue for the gemstones there. And on the lenses, for some of the senses, I've just used red. Next up came using Agrax Earthshade over the skulls on the hands, and using some Drakenhof Nightshade too in some of the recesses and over the Dreadnought's fingers. Now, next up, I've used some contrast paints, which I've never used before. I've used Achillean Green and Warp Lightning over the fingers and the hands. As I say, I've never used these before, but I was really impressed with how they came out, actually. It gave a really nice finish there, particularly over the bone of the claws. I was really impressed with that finish. Now I've got all the contrast painting done that we're going to do. We've done the claws, fingers, and some of the gems. There's just one thing left to do. Varnishing. Like with all rattle cans, make sure you get yourself somewhere well ventilated, get some gloves and a mask on so you don't breathe in too much vapour. Make sure you get nice and short, sweet across your model too for a good clean finish. And that wraps up our final model of 2021 and episode 2 of Beat the Backlog, my finished Space Wolves Dreadnought. There's one or two bits of tidying I could do, but overall I'm pretty pleased with it. I still haven't finished the base, so anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.